Wow!
Yo, stick around until the end of the video to find out about winning this giveaway for this live stream concert. So, alright, listen, bro, I'm just gonna interject myself here. This video has been a struggle to get up. So, my decision was to split it up into 2 videos. I'm releasing them on the same day. So, if you're watching this video at the time of coming out, the part 2 should be up around 12 hours from this video. Around dinner time. I wanted to probably just put this all together as one video, but I didn't feel like editing out the music. It because I looked at a draft without like the music in from the music that was getting it blocked. It was dumb. So enjoy this part 1, I guess. This is just all of the move videos, and then the video coming out later is going to be all the dance practices plus the 2 extra videos and the giveaway. I'm ready to see some choreo for the songs I've been bumping to like all year. Yo, it's featuring me interjecting again. I know this is awkward, but as you can see by the screen, Tippy got this video blocked, so I'm muting this section. Sadly, it'll be on muting for, you know, when I talk and say stuff. But besides that, yeah. Oh my god, the pops, bro. Bro, the knees. Not missing a beat. Ooh, the footwork go crazy. Bro, my legs are hurting watching their choreo. They are going the quick step there. Hold on. Oh my god, the backs, they going crazy. My back hurts. Oh wait, they're at 1 million. They're at the 1 million dance studio. I just noticed that in the background. That's crazy. All right, sorry that caught me off guard for some reason. The domino going crazy. You had to make a presence, you know? Jeez. And then they tap the tippy toe. Oh my god, that's a hard way to end it. Whoa, no way. Future me interjecting again? Yeah, well, future me here to say that along with Tippy Toes, MASCARA also got the video blocked, so I'm also muting, and then I'm muting when I have to talk again for this. So, yeah, sorry. This is awkward, but, gotta do what I gotta do to at least get it viewable. Like, I don't care about money, man. I just want my video to go up. Jeez. Anyway, yeah, I know it's unfortunate, and hope that there's no need for no future interjections. Hope that it's just smooth sailing from here. Bro, the syncage is insane. They're so in sync that it hurts. Bro. Ooh, the way they all like turn around after each. Ooh. Bro, they hit it every beat. Bro, the chest pops are like so in sync. The hair flips going crazy. Nah, that was real good. That was ooh, my god. We on Shooting Star, baby. Oh, that was the stomps. Bro, they're so good. Ooh, that was a nice, like, reveal. Ooh. Bro, Coco got some baggy ass jeans on. god, man. Bro. This still might be my favorite choreo. I might be capping. In the star formation. Oh, we're gonna hit the body roll hard. Sorry, I got lost in the sauce, my bad. Bridge. Ooh, that was... Bro, they are so good. That isolation pops back into place. Oh, that's so clean every time I see it. Damn, bro. They killed that. I feel like I didn't say much to that one because, like, I feel like most of the choreo was in Shooting Star. All left to right. Ooh, wait. Oh, I know this is gonna go crazy. Jordan in the hoodie fit. Oh my god. That goes crazy. What the? Bro, I don't know which one's my favorite choreo. There's, man, and I don't want to talk out of my ass because, like, bro. The kick too in the formation. Oh my god, the tilt. Left, right, oh my god, the way Coco came in. Okay, go. Bro, that, like, the... You have no idea. Oh my god, hearing him sing it too into that, like, that's right, that's... Bro, I don't know. the urge when I see this choreo right now. I just had like, out of all of them, this one makes me want to dance to it the most and try to learn it, even though I know I'm gonna bust my ass trying to try it. Bro, the footwork crazy too. Get it, Georgia? Ooh, that's so clean. I was just the fuck. Bro. Bro, they start going crazy. Oh, left, right, so good too. I don't even know anymore, man. Bro, they're so adorable. Oh, shit. Bro, doing this all in one go is like basically listening to the whole catalog again. They just have banger after banger, drop after drop. How is it possible to hit this much? No misses. What the? Bro, they got chairs. We're getting chair choreo. Oh my god. Just the... I'm scared, actually. Because I'm just realizing we really didn't see any of the choreo in the music video. The shoulders. Bro, there's so much popping. This is like the only part of the choreo we see when the drop happens. Oh, I love hearing these stomps. Bro, the hips are not lying. Oh, we're getting chair choreo. This is insane, bro. I don't know if I have the mental capacity for this. The jump over the chair is crazy. Oh no. Chairs. Oh my god. They're getting me all flustered. Oh my god. Come on. Workflow. Bro, the way Harvey just sat down and just started. There's so much chair choreo. God damn. Oh yeah, I forgot I put this in here. I heard that there was like actual like at least in the music video version, there's like bits of like ASL choreo, which is kind of sick, and it seems like they made a whole thing of it. That's hard as fuck. Oh my god, we get some like music video behind the scenes too. Yeah. Different kind of body. That type of girl don't got inside of nobody. You mess around with us, I promise you'll be sorry. Trust me, bro. Trust me. Why does how does this like how does ASL look like it's just going crazy like choreo too? Mess around with us, I promise you'll be sorry. Trust me, that be a big mistake. We go hard every day. Yeah, that move, I remember seeing that in there. Yeah, ooh, that goes crazy. Don't you let these pretty faces fool you. Savage underneath. There's no limit, nothing that we can do. Whatever the problem, we're not a song. Workflow, here's the game. Never big fights with the girl game. All of my ladies are fire, rolling with creases, a female empire. Workflow, here's the game. Never big fights with the girl game. Bro, this is so dope. Bitch, you can't match these stats. Try to catch up and stay one step ahead. Bitch, you can't rack up these checks. Give it a shot, but you'll learn it finesse. Boom, ha. Confident chicks with a whole new swagger. Boom, ha. That was so high, gonna need that ladder. We got something extra hot, yummy, yummy out the pot. Rolling deep and we in town. You ain't know you're learning now. They say you're so fly, oh my god. Cruise so tight, they know we unlock. Drip so cold, we styling like ice. Cruise so bold, we stupid on sight. That's, it's so cool. Why are they so cool? There's no limit, nothing that we can do. Whatever the problem, we know how to solve them. Workflow, here's the game. Never big fights with the girl game. All of my ladies are fire, rolling with kisses, a female empire. Workflow, here's the game. Never big fights with the girl game. All of my ladies are fire, rolling with kisses, a female empire. Heavy hitters, get winners, put them up for the realest. Ooh, the way we shine is always burning. Ooh, they gonna see us when we come in. Workflow, here's the game. Never big fights for the girl game. All of my ladies are fire, rolling with quizzes, a female empire. Workflow, here's the game. Never big fights with the girl game. All of my ladies are fire, rolling with quizzes, a female empire. Nah, that went crazy. That's actually so cool. Bro, I have no time to collect myself. Fresh, so clean, still the scene. Drip, pour in, 'cause I'm a 10. I know, yeah, you know what to high up to give a what. BBS has got nothing on me. Yo, this multiple angles is kind of cool. Not kind of cool, it's cool as hell. TGIF. They got them fly. They got them fly. My knees, bro.
I'm so Tahiti, hot and breezy, off the heezy on the IGYTTT. Fresh to death, my flying is best. Like heaven sent me, God's my witness, the drips to take me. Ooh la la, my ladies, get your moolah. Ooh la la, my ladies, never cooler.
Bro, these outfits are so cute, by the way. So much pink. Want it, got it, I am queen. I'm blessed. Let me, I'm blessed. Yo, I got him. My shoulders can never, bro. I'm so not limber. Bro, the hops, my knees. The floor work, okay. Oh my god, Shisa. That slowdown gets me every time where they're just like... That was cute. Oh, they all doing the model strut? Yo! Y'all need to relax with the floor choreo. Jeez, going crazy. Bro, they all walk in the runway. Yo, this is sick. I actually like that choreo a lot. Oh, it's the summer bop, baby. The summer bop of 2023. Y'all could fight with the air. Damn the drop. I feel like at least every video I think about my knees hurting. And that's it for this video. The drop. I'm watching it again. My knees. That's insane. Bro, the hips are hipping. My knees. That's the only part of the choreo I could do. How did I not notice that footwork before? That is insane. Go Coco, go Coco, go Coco. Oh, the body roll. So lucky, baby. I can't dance, but I'm freestyling in my chair. Bro, the footwork is crazy. Moving our body, down on the floor. The slowdown. Bro, flexibility go crazy. That went crazy. Bro, she hit the Michael thrust. Oh, going crazy. Okay, Harvey, go off. With the mini Coco vocals. Bro, it's so fun. It's just so fun to watch. I think, actually this time, I think this might be my favorite choreo. Oh, the footwork, the lines. Ooh, the walk up? That's clean. Nah, I think that is for sure my favorite choreo. We are at the puppet show.
It's time I get what I deserve. Act like you don't know what I'm worth. We spend a lot of time talking.
Whoa. I'm sorry. Bro, this is the thing about music videos. For some reason I thought the choreo wasn't hitting, and then it's like me realizing, oh, not a lot of the choreo is in the video. It happens every time.
We spend a lot of time talking.
Bro, the pop and the pops.
Listen to what comes out my mouth. Before you try to take
Harvey,
me out.
relax.
You ought to know what I'm about. Treat me like a lady. This ain't up for debating. We'll stop playing before we go a different route. Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where girls be taking control. Wrapping our fingers, they couldn't tell us no, no, no. Welcome to the puppet show, where we play like the plastic dolls. They'll do anything.
I will say this chorus dance goes crazy, even in the video.
Gonna play like the toys. We'll make 'em do what we enjoy. They'll do anything when you got 'em by your street. Don't like the look of this picture. Well, you think that I'm in love with you? Cry me a river, thought you was lit to leave bedroom extra. I'ma do it my way. Ain't apologetic, I'ma cut you off.
Ooh.
Cry me a river,
I
thought
can-
you was lit
the-
to leave
the
bedroom extra. I'ma do it my way. Ain't apologetic, I'ma cut you off like Babylon with it. I'm a controller, tame like Atari. It ain't game over till I say so. Got it when I want for it to please me. Might just make you do the things I want you to. Playing puppet master, everything's so easy. I'll make all of my own dreams come true. Ooh. Imagine a world where we could play different
Bro,
roles,
this
where we be
choreo
taking
is
control.
actually going off. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh my god.
I'll make all of my own dreams come true. Ooh.
Like this right here, ooh, and then the back, and then, oh my god, just like that domino is, ooh.
Wrapping our fingers, they couldn't tell us no, no, no. Welcome to the puppet show, where we play like the plastic dolls. They'll do anything, anything. When you got 'em hanging by a string. Gonna play like the toys, make 'em do what we enjoy. They'll do anything, when you got 'em by a string.
I'm telling you, there's only like one section of every choreo that I know. Oh, the slowdown. I'm sorry, Chisa. Hold on.
Follow my lead. Just leave the whole thing up to me. My
They in the summoning circle.
yeah.
That is pretty. A pretty reveal. Ooh, that was... Ooh, my God.
Welcome to the show, where we play with the plastic toys. They'll do anything, anything. When you got 'em hanging by a string, Playing like a toy, playing like a toy. Make 'em do what we enjoy, make 'em do what we enjoy. They'll do anything, when you got 'em by a string.
God damn. Alright, before we get to the last two videos of this, damn, we are like an hour in. I was right. It's like an hour and 8 minutes. Look, and this is being probably like one of the last larger videos of XG. I have an extra ticket for the live stream show that they are having a stream for, and I want to give it away. So, that being said, I'm going to just hold this up right here, and if y'all can't see it, you know, enjoy. And whoever does get it, let me know in the comments. You're welcome. And I just want to say again, I really appreciate the love in all these videos and y'all getting me to where I'm at right now. A lot of the alpha, it's mainly a lot of alphas, and I appreciate it. That's why I'm just sitting here right now. I appreciate it every single day, and I don't want to take it for granted. And yes, I'm sorry this video took so long, but again, it was a personal thing. I didn't want to rush through all the XG stuff. But we're here now, and I'm here for the future, man. I'm really excited for it. So, if you didn't happen to get a ticket or anything from any of your albums and you wanted to see the concert, that's one free ticket. So, enjoy that. Again, let me know who gets it and comment it down below. But besides that, congratulations to who does get it. And yeah, love y'all. I really do. Y'all are the best. To be honest, I was going to do like this whole giveaway thing and have y'all like join my Discord and stuff. But I'm like, that's a lot of work, and I'm not trying to do all that. So I'm like, I'll just put it in a video. I'm just good. Whoever grabs it, grabs it. Anyways, last two videos. We got a choreo video for Puppet Show, baby. Oh my God, I just realized, it just hit me. I wanted, when we saw these outfits in like the main video towards the end, I'm like, oh, I wish we got more of these. We're getting a whole video with it. The red contact goes crazy, Maya.
It's time I get
what I deserve.
Act like you don't know what I'm worth. We spend a lot of time talking, but it feels like I'm never heard. Listen to what comes out my mouth before you try to take me out.
Bro, this video is insane looking. Oh my God. Bro, cameraman was looking to get paid. This cameraman is going crazy with the handheld shots. God damn, sir. Okay, go off. Oh, I don't even think it's handheld. I think that's just like one of the camera crane things. Either way, that's going crazy. Bro, this almost feels too high quality to be watching. I'm sorry, I'm pausing so much.
Don't like the look of this picture. Boy, you think that I'm in love with you? Cry me a river, thought you was lit to leave the true extra. I'ma do it my way, ain't apologetic. I'ma cut you off like Felicia with it. I'm a controller, claim like Atari. It ain't game over till I say so. Got it. When I want for it to please me, might just make you do the things I want you to. Playing puppet master, everything. So
I love this hair on Coco, by the way. It's so pretty. This camera work is going crazy. It's accenting the choreo so well. This choreo is really pretty though. I like it a lot. Go crazy, Chisa. Go crazy. Ooh, that was this camera work is hot. Time to go crazy.
Welcome to the show.
And this is the part that was in the video. Bye, Shri. Bye, Shri. Do what we enjoy. Hit him with the labow. Yeah, nah, that choreo video went crazy. Oh my god. Oh, okay, so this is like the newest thing they put out. It's technically a music video, but it says multiverse music video. So it's like it's different, but it's like, it's another music video for New Dance. And how could I say no to another piece of content for like my favorite song? So I'm just throwing this in here as like a bonus, because you know, why not?
Would you like to place an order?
Okay, I'm literally on my way.
Oh my gosh. Wait, I love this. I mean, they were basically already like kind of exploring this concept of being aliens and like the main music videos, but I like how it's like they're kind of like just straight up aliens. They're stopped by a diner and wanting to get some food, and then just like, wait, let me break it down real quick. Bro, they look so pretty in this video. Oh my god. Costume designer went crazy with this video. I like this vintage look too, like the ratio size and everything. Never mind. Let me just enjoy. Flowers are growing on the building. There's flowers growing everywhere.
First thing you gotta do if you're gonna do is slide to the left and the right now. Dip your hip low like me, baby. Let me find out. You gotta do, we gotta move it to the music like you really feel the rush now.
I like that dance so much.
Go crazy, yeah, you got it. I just learned a new dance, new dance, new dance. I just learned a new dance, new dance, new dance. I just learned a new dance, new dance, new dance. I just learned a new dance, new dance. All the late girls get down with the XA. Fly with my girls to the party.
It's so clean, bro.
We just gonna have a good time. body, body. See me get it down on the floor. I walked into the show. I just learned a new dance. Ask me how I do that. We just wanna dance all night. This beat has got me feeling alright. So take the step and turn around. Spin around, touch your head to your toes. As long as you're steady, keep your eyes on the floor. Don't care who's watching, let me show you how it goes. Pop, 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 like you not drop it. I been on the move and I been not stop it. Never miss a beat, we got that.
Bro, the way she hits the mic, bro, that goes crazy. Just put the head out. Okay, huh?
Ready for this moment, never gonna let it go. Turn up the music now. Get up, this is your time. So here we go, let 'em know. I just learned a new dance, new dance, new dance. I just learned a new dance, new dance, new dance. I just learned a new dance, new dance, new dance. I just learned a new dance. To the X, to the X. All the little girls get down with the XA. So when my girls to the party, we ain't come to bother nobody. We just gonna have a good time. Open our body, body. See me get it down on the floor. I walked into the show. I just learned a new dance. Ask me how I do that.
I actually love that a lot. That music video looked so pretty, by the way. Well, we are at the end of this video. How long did it end up being? I've been recording for almost an hour and a half, bro. I think this is one of like my longest recording sessions ever. I don't even think an album recording has taken me this long to record before. I don't even know how much I'm gonna cut out. This might end up being just like an actually long video, and I hope you guys are prepared for that, because oh my god. So putting that out into the world with how long this is, I don't know when this video is gonna go up. I want to say maybe by this weekend. I'll say this weekend. So, you know, for Thanksgiving, if you're not full with Thanksgiving dinner, maybe this fat video will fill you up as a treat. Going based off that, I will see if I can get it up Thanksgiving. No, maybe the day after Thanksgiving, because you guys need some like recovery time for Thanksgiving, or like maybe Thanksgiving night, Thanksgiving morning. Oh, who knows? I'll think of something. Anyways, thank y'all for the love as always. Y'all are the best alphas. You are the best. And again, congrats on whoever wins the giveaway. And if you're one of the people that skipped to the end thinking the giveaway was right at the end, you might want to check throughout the video, because you definitely missed it. I'm kidding. I'll probably have it marked, and then, you know, whoever, actually, you know what? No, I'm not. Let's see. I'm gonna let you find it, because it's literally a free ticket to like a live stream concert. So, you know, if you want that, you better go look for it. It's not hard to find. Just go back to the video, and while you're scrolling back to the video, hit the like button. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. I shall be back soon. Can't wait to see what else XG drops next. You know I'm there day one. Anyways, love y'all. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Y'all are the best.